So guys, as you all know, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can change the color of your clothes in Pixellab. So guys, the first thing, you will go to your color, change the color of your background. Let's change it to black, so that is good. After then, go to your imports and choose the image. This is the image. You want to change the colors, zoom it to size the image size. Wow, that is nice. The next thing, just go to your relative position, click on it, click on your relative position, then bring it up, bring it down, press the arrow, that is correct, and go to copy and copy it, duplicate it 2 times. So after copying it, go to your relative position again and bring it up, bring it down. That is good, mark it. The next thing we are going to do, go to your erase. This is our eraser. Click on our eraser and start cleaning the skin parts. Don't clean the clothes, only the skin parts, clean it. Start cleaning the skin parts. Wow, that is nice. Clean it well. Don't let it to touch the clothes, just only the skin parts. Clean it well, clean it. Wow, that is good. Make sure it's perfect and don't let it touch the clothes. So that is what I'm doing. Just do it perfect, and neat. Wow, that is nice and perfect. So that is perfect like that, and go back to your pictures and go to your color straight. Let's move to our color. Click on your color. Wow, this red is not matching. Let's use another color. Let's use this. Click on it. You see, wow, this one is make sense. Wow, this is how to change your color, how to change the color of your clothes in Pixellab. You see that is simple and easy to know. So just grab it. If you want to are designing and you don't want the color and you want to change it, just merge it together. Go to your layers and merge them together. That is finished. So it's totally easy to do. Just when you see the picture of your color of your clothes and you don't like it and you want to change it to another color, when you are designing, you can change it like that. That is easy way in Pixellab to change the color of your clothes.